Good morning, everyone. This is your science class, and I welcome all of you in my class. So, our chapter is now crop production and management. So, what are crops? Plants of same kind grown on a large scale for food, clothing, etc. are called crops. And what is the term known as harvesting? The process of cutting and gathering of those crops are called harvesting. And we have already learnt about these concepts, and now we already talked about another thing, that is the different types of crops. Kharif crops, example paddy, pigeon pea, cotton, soybean, groundnut, and rabi crops, for example wheat, gram, mustard, barley, etc. So these two types of crops we have learned depending on the seasons they are grown, right? And we have discussed in the last class, that is the agricultural practices, that is the different steps involved in the agriculture. And we have told you the ploughing and leveling method, which are the soil preparation method. The ploughing is the loosening and turning of a few inches of the topsoil. It is also known as tilling. It helps in loosening the soil. In ancient period of time, animals were used in case of ploughing in the field. The loose soil also helps in the growth of earthworms to build proper aeration inside the soil. And nowadays, tractors are used to plow the field. And our next or soil preparation topic or the step was leveling. After ploughing, big lumps of soil may remain in the field, right? And these are crushed using a wooden or iron plank called leveler. And here you can see the picture of the leveler that are used in the second step, that is the leveling. Leveling helps in preventing the loss of moisture from the plowed soil. And now today our concern is seed. Selection and sowing of seed. The farmers today are aware of the fact that good quality of seeds is an important factor for a good crop, right? The farmer therefore must select the seeds that are healthy, dried properly and have no dampness, not mixed with the seeds of weeds, free from any infection, stored in strong bags, free from insects and pests, not contaminated with waste materials, rotting food materials, etc. The process of spreading the seeds in the soil to germinate is known as sowing. Here you can see a farmer is sowing the seeds in the farmland. For sowing seeds, the following points must be kept in mind. Proper spacing of the seeds must to be maintained. The seeds must be sown at a reasonable depth. Seeds must be sown in proper season. Seeds must be sown in proper rows. Nowadays you can see here seed drill is a machine is used to sow the seeds inside the farmland or the soil. This machine helps in proper sowing of the seeds.